In this video, we'll be solving a word problem that involves a logarithmic function. So take a moment to pause the video and read the question before we begin. Now that you've read the problem, we're given the logarithmic function y equals log x, where y represents the magnitude of the earthquake and x represents the amplitude of the vibrations measured by a seismograph, or the intensity. So in our table here, we're given three locations: Chernobyl, Haiti, and northern Italy, and their corresponding magnitudes. So the larger the magnitude, the more severe the earthquake. So for part A, it says how many times as intense was the earthquake in Haiti compared to the one in Chernobyl. So what we'd like to do is use our given logarithmic function to relate these two earthquakes. So for Haiti, we have a magnitude of 7. So that represents the y value for our function. So we would say 7 equals the log of x. What we could do is rewrite this y equals log x as log base 10 of x, because we know 10 is the base of that log since it's not written in. If I do that, that would allow me to convert my logarithmic function here into an exponential. And I'm going to do that now. So the base of my exponential would be 10. The exponent would be 7, and that would evaluate to give me x. So this gives me an exponential for Haiti. I want to do the same now for Chernobyl. So for Chernobyl, we had a magnitude of 4. So we'd set it up the same way, and we'd say 4 equals the log base 10 of x, which gives me an exponential where I have 10 to the 4 equals x. So now if I want to compare these two and find out how many times as intense Haiti was compared to Chernobyl, I would take the value for Haiti, which is 10 to the 7, and I would divide it by the value for Chernobyl, which is 10 to the 4. Now since these both have a base of 10, I'd be subtracting my exponents. So this would be 10 to the 3. So I could say it's 10 to the 3 times more intense, or 1,000 times more intense. For B, when it says how many times as intense was the earthquake in Haiti compared to the one in northern Italy, I would do the same thing. So I've already got the calculation for Haiti, so I just need to find Italy. So for Italy, we would have 6 equals log base 10 of x, which would correspond to an exponential of 10 to the 6 equals x. So I would then need to compare Haiti and Italy by taking Haiti's value, which is 10 to the 7, and divide it by 10 to the 6, and I get 10 to the 1. So in this case, it was just 10 times more intense. So we see that a jump of 1 on the magnitude means a tenfold increase in the intensity or the size of the amplitude of the waves for the earthquake.